Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the X32 and loading a stable scene. This prevents unexpected patch settings. Next, assign an FX bus. Select the bus, choose sends, and decide pre or post so you know when the effect is applied. Once done, use channel home and activate sends on fader to route individual channels to that FX bus, trimming send levels to taste. Make sure to label the bus so recall is fast, and save a scene backup before major changes. You now pick an effect from the FX rack by pressing FX and choosing a slot from 1 to 8. That becomes your processing engine. Then edit parameters, type, pre-delay, decay, high-frequency damping or low pass, and the wet/dry mix, so the effect shapes the sound the way you want. Once edited, route the FX return into a bus or matrix and set its return level and panning. Make small adjustments while listening in context. It's easier to tune with the full mix playing. To finalize, balance send levels against the FX return so the effect sits correctly. Mute or solo to isolate when necessary. Once happy, save the scene or store the FX preset in the library and label it for quick recall. If you encounter silence or no effect, check the bus routing, confirm the channel send level is audible, ensure the FX slot is enabled, and verify the return bus is not muted or pre-fader incorrectly set. If problems persist, reboot the console and reload your saved scene.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.